Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are someone who's been consistently supporting me, I just want to say thank you. I see your likes, I see your comments, I am listening to your feedback, and I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. So let's just jump right into it. Valentine's Day is soon, sooner than soon, and I personally don't have a date, but I was like, you know what, bitch, don't be bitter, you know, like just put together a look that people will maybe, hopefully, please enjoy. And that's the look that I'm wearing right now. It is a Valentine's Day inspired look that I would personally do on my first date. I probably wouldn't put on the lashes because I suck at doing those, but yeah, nonetheless, this is the look. And I was like, you know what, beat your face, and maybe someone's, you know, uncle, brother, cousin, sister, someone will notice you. Every time I say stuff like that, my mom's like, stop it, you look desperate. And I'm like, well, bitch, maybe I am desperate, you know. I'm not. But yeah, shout out to the Alone gang this Valentine's Day. We should all just like link up and do something special. So tell your friends or tell yourself that my DMs are open for one night only. I'm joking. Let's jump into this look. I already did my eyebrows off camera using the Essence eyebrow pencil in the color 2 Brown, and then I just concealed using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan. And next I'm going to go in on my face. I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. Yeah, Instant Pore Eraser, baby skin, whatever you want to call it. This is what it looks like. Cool. And then I'm going to use the NYX Total Drop Foundation in the color Caramel, and that is what it looks like. Ooh, does not want to focus. Awkward. Okay, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, and I'm probably gonna go in like with 5 layers of this, really just because my skin is obviously breaking out and I have like red marks everywhere, so we need as much coverage as possible. So yeah, and I like to also, with this foundation, I'll do it in sections just because it drips. I get so anxious that it's gonna like run off of my face. So yeah. Do you see what I'm talking about? Okay, so I realized I was looking a little bit ashy with my ring light, so I just changed it to a bit of a warmer tone. But now we can continue. So now that my foundation's done, I'm gonna go straight into eyeshadow, and I'm using the Top Notch eyeshadow palette from Switch Beauty, and it's literally like the prettiest pink eyeshadow palette ever. That's what it looks like. Let me just remove the cover. So Switch Beauty, if you are watching this, please, can we get this back? Like, this is my favorite eyeshadow palette, I think, in general, because it's pink, it's pretty, and it's just, yeah, like, I just love it. So I'm just gonna go in with just a normal eyeshadow brush with this pink color over here. It's the like very first color. I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid. And then I'm gonna go in with this plum shade over here, and I'm gonna put it in my crease with a blending brush. Yeah, so with that eyeshadow, you have to be so careful because it's so pigmented. As you can see, a lot of product comes out not done. So I'm just going to take this concealer, again the same one I use for my eyebrows. I'm just going to put it all over my bottom eyelid, and that's where we're going to put some more eyeshadow. So much product came out. I'm just going to go in with this concealer brush just to spread out the product, and then we're going to wait for it to dry. Cool. So now that it has dried, I'm going to go in with this rose gold. It's like a rose gold pink. Does that make sense? It's a very pretty pink color, but I just classify it as rose gold, and that's what we're going to put on our lower eyelids. And I'm using this very densely packed brush. It's a very flat, dense brush. I don't know what to call it, and I got it from Switch Beauty. Okay, now that my eyes are basically done, I am going to conceal and contour my face. Highlight and contour my face. And I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealers. For contour, I'm going to use the color Dark Cocoa. And then for highlights, I'm going to use medium beige. And I'm not going to put on mascara yet because I'm obviously still going to put on lashes. So yeah, I like to let my contour and my concealer dry for a bit, or set rather for a bit. So if you see me just chilling here and doing nothing, you know why. I'm going to set my face with this Yardley. Why do you never want to focus? Cool. I'm going to set my face using the Yardley Absolute. Using the Yardley Absolute translucent loose powder. Mine is, it's got a pink undertone. I know a lot of people find that a little bit problematic. I don't think you can see that. They do have other shades that are loose and tinted if you prefer that. And I'm just going to put it where I put my highlighter. Great. I will cry if my battery dies in the middle of a tutorial. It's just never meant to be, clearly. I'm gonna bronze my face using the Avon bronzing pearls, and I honestly cannot tell you what shade or color I got these in because I got them such a long time ago. I'm not even sure if they still make them. This game. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go in with blush, which is something I hardly ever do, and I'm gonna use the Balm Cosmetics blush in the color Hot Mama, and it's like the prettiest pink ever. That's what it looks like. And yeah, I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks. You're probably thinking to yourself, this girl didn't do her nose contour, and I just remembered. So I'm just gonna contour using my eyeshadow palette, nothing special, and that's just because I prefer a powder contour over a cream contour, just because you have more control over what you're doing. So BRB. Okay, so now I'm gonna highlight my face real quick using the Switch Beauty GlowGasm palette, and this is one of my favorite highlighting palettes ever. It's like 6 really pretty highlighting colors, and I'm gonna use this color here. It's similar to the rose gold color we put on our eyelids earlier on. And yeah, I'm just gonna use a fan brush and this blending brush that I got from Essence. I'm obsessed with this palette because guys, like the highlights, it's crying, it's making so much noise. Wow. Okay, and then for lips we're gonna go in with this Essence lipstick. It's so pretty. It's pink, obviously, and I'm gonna go in with a liner of the exact same color that's also from Essence. So the lipstick is in the color 07. It's an ultra lasting instant color lipstick, and the pencil is in the color 05 soft berry. So let's just do that real quick. Okay, I'm gonna set my face using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus setting spray, and then I'm just gonna put on lashes, and I will be back to do the outro video. Okay, so this is the final look. I just put on some eyelashes on and put some mascara on my lower lash line, and this is basically the finished look. Like I said, I do hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I won't say I had fun. I enjoyed shooting the tutorial. I was totally anxious just because it's my first one, but we got through it and we can only get better. Like I said, I will not be wearing this look on Valentine's Day because you guys know my situation. I'm single. Did I mention that I'm single? Because I'm single. I'm joking. But yeah, hope you guys, you know, have a really wonderful Valentine's Day. Whether you're alone, whether you're spending it with someone, just remember it's a normal Thursday and we all have class or work the next day. So joke's on you if you're going out because you're going to be tired the next day. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what your Valentine's Day plans are, or I don't know, just leave something cute. Maybe you'll find your lover in the comments down below. That would be epic. So yeah, comment something down below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.